Topic: The power of discipline. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly important and transformative topic: the power of discipline. Discipline is one of the most valuable qualities a person can possess. It is the ability to control one's actions, emotions, and habits in order to achieve a goal. Talent alone cannot guarantee success. Without discipline, even the most intelligent person may fail. On the other hand, an ordinary person with discipline can achieve extraordinary success. Discipline is the foundation of a successful life. Students need discipline to focus on studies. Athletes require discipline to maintain training, and professionals depend on discipline to achieve career growth. It creates consistency, and consistency ultimately leads to excellence. Therefore, discipline is not a punishment, it is a path toward personal and professional development. One of the greatest benefits of discipline is improved productivity. A disciplined person manages time effectively and avoids unnecessary distractions in today's digital world, where social media and entertainment constantly compete for attention. Maintaining focus has become increasingly challenging. Discipline helps individuals remain committed to their priorities and responsibilities. Moreover, discipline strengthens mental resilience. Life is full of obstacles, failures, and disappointments. A disciplined person does not give up easily, but continues working with determination and patience. This resilient mindset helps people overcome difficulties and achieve long-term success. Discipline also plays an important role in shaping character. It teaches responsibility, honesty, and self-control. A disciplined society is generally more organized and peaceful. Rules and regulations exist to maintain order, and discipline ensures that individuals respect these systems. Without discipline, society may become chaotic and unstable. Another important aspect of discipline is self-control. Human beings are naturally influenced by emotions, desires, and temptations. However, discipline allows individuals to make rational decisions rather than emotional ones. This emotional stability is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and professional success. History provides many examples of disciplined individuals who achieved greatness. Successful leaders, scientists, athletes, and entrepreneurs often emphasize the importance of daily habits and hard work. Their achievements were not the result of luck alone, but of continuous effort and disciplined action. Thank you for being patient.